YouTube has become so competitive that it has been so difficult for small YouTubers or for startup content creators to be able to get any of their videos to trend on YouTube. A lot of small YouTubers have tried different strategies and have finally given up on YouTube because none have been able to work for them. Now, I almost gave up, but I went into more research and I watched videos like this, and like this. And all these big YouTubers are talking about different strategies you can use as a small YouTuber or a startup content creator to go viral on YouTube. On this video, we're going to talk about how you can use a trending video, repurpose it, and put on your own channel to see if you would go viral. Now, this is one of the strategies that most of the big YouTubers are talking about, repurposing a viral video as a small content creator and then going viral. I don't know if this strategy will work, but I'm going to do it on my channel and you too should do it on your channel. We're going to take different trending topics, repurpose it and put it on Claudia Fonguh TV. So do it on your own channel so we'll see if this strategy will work for us. Remember, there are several strategies we're going to use on this channel, so make sure you stay tuned to Claudia Fonguh TV to try the other strategies that all these big YouTubers are talking about. If you don't try them, you will never know if it can work for your channel or not. If this is your first time on my channel and you're wondering, who the heavens is this? Hi, my name is Claudia Fonguh and this is my YouTube channel. On this channel, we talk about everything small business ideas, side hustle ideas, how you can make money online and how you can build wealth. If these are the kind of content you're interested in, do consider to click on the like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you will not miss out on all the strategies that you can use as a small YouTuber or a startup content creator to go viral on YouTube. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for your loyalty. Now, one of the ways you can actually get a video of yours to go viral is the number of likes, the subscriptions, and the number of watch hours. That being said, if you are still watching me right now, do not forget to click on that like button, subscribe, and keep watching this video till the end so you'll be able to know how you can get trending topics for your channel. Now, there are 4 different ways you can get trending topics and repurpose for your channel. And the first is Google Trend. Now, Google Trend can help you to find trending topics and repurpose for your channel. And this is how you can do that. So what you do is come over to Google and type in Google Trend. Click right here and it's going to bring you over to this page. Right here at the top right hand of your screen, if you want to choose the geographical area of where you want to search for the Google Trend, you can come over here and choose the region. Now, right here, click on Explore. Now, depending on what you want to search for, you can add your search term right here. Remember, we are searching in Nigeria. We are searching for our trend in Nigeria. Now, right here where you see past 12 months is the time frame of when you want to find the trend. All right, you can want to find a trend for the last day, for let me say yesterday, or for the past hour, for 12 months, for 7 days, for the past 30 days. All right, so just click on how long you want to find this trend. Now, what category do you want to search for? We have here all categories. We have arts and entertainment, we have beauty, we have books and literature, we have business. So all you do is to click on what you want to search for. Let's say, for example, I want to search for jobs and education. All right, the trending topics on this. I'll click on it, and right here, do you want a web search or do you want an image search? All right, so you just go through here and select what you want. Now, we want a YouTube search. All right, so we're just going to click on it right there. So you can actually type a search term right here. And also you can just scroll downwards to see the trend right now. Now, another thing I would like you to do right here is where you see rising here. Right here, if you click on top, it means you are looking for viral videos that are evergreen. I mean, videos that can be able to be watched in the next 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. So I would prefer us to search for top. All right. So we have an evergreen topic. Now here we have the 5 trending topics on YouTube right now on job and education. We have here universities, schools, and I think this is right because a lot of people are searching for schools. It's almost back to school and everyone is preparing for that. We have joint administration and matriculation. We have Nigeria, country in West Africa, and I think one of the things that is trending right now is the protest. All right, so you can also click right here on trending now, and you're going to see different topics that are trending in your region for the past 7 days. All right, another thing you could do is to click right here on all trends, and then you check for trend status, or in case you want to see only active trends, then you can click on this and we're going to see only active trends right here. So right here, you can see what has been trending for the last 14 hours, 16 hours, 2 hours ago, 18 hours. You could just scroll through and see what is trending in Nigeria, even for the last 1 hour, like you see right here. Amazing, right? So if you're still here and you love the research so far, do not forget to click on that like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and keep watching this video till the end. Now, for you to be able to make money constantly on YouTube, you need to select trending topics that, one, are viral and are evergreen. Yeah. Another important thing about your video is, do not just put a video or all the videos on your channel that people will just watch it for a period of time and cannot go back to research on it after a year, 2 years, or even more. Now, there are some topics that are evergreen, meaning that no matter if that video is 10 years old, people will still want to go back to that video and search for such a topic. So creating the videos on your channel, make sure that most of the videos are evergreen topics so that no matter what, you will still be making money from those videos. Now, the second way you can find a trending video to repurpose for your channel is through Google. Now, Google is the highest search engine in the world, and it's but obvious you can get a better information right there on the topics that are trending on YouTube, depending on your niche. So let's go to Google and see how you can get these trending topics. Now, right here, just come over to Google and type in most trending video on YouTube. All right. Let's just use the general statement and see what Google will give us. Now we are redirected to YouTube, and we have here 566,000 views in the last 2 days. We have 636 views for the last 2 days, and you can keep scrolling down to see different trending videos. All right. But to make this very personal, you need to type in the question in respect to your niche or the topic you want to search on. You can be more specific like this: most trending educational video on YouTube, August 2024. So we have here the most trending videos on, or most trending educational video on YouTube for August 2024. So you can scroll downward to see all the search results. For example, this one right here, top trending YouTube topics, August 2024. So you can read through to find or to know the topics that have been trending for this month. So you can see the number here, the keyword, and the search growth. Now, depending on your niche, you can actually scroll down to see a topic right here that can interest you or is good for your channel. We have faceless YouTube channels, which I know very well that is trending. This is 9,200%. It is really high, and it's also around my niche. So I feel like this is also something I will want to do. So it is as good as that for Google. It is as easy as this to get the topics that are trending. Lovely. Do not forget to click on that like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and keep watching this video to the very end, because obviously I need this video to go viral and I also need the watch hours on this video. Now, the next way you can actually get a trending topic for your video is through YouTube. Amazing, right? YouTube is actually the second highest search engine in the world. So it's obvious you can get the answer to all your worries from YouTube. Now, let's get into YouTube and see how you can get these trending topics to repurpose for your channel. Now, so here on YouTube, what you can do is to come over to the search bar and type in viral videos 2024. And then you would have various videos that are trending or that are viral on YouTube. Now, take for example, this video right here, 25K views for the last 9 hours. Wow, that's amazing, right? So depending on your niche, just go over there and type in this in respect to your niche. All right, look at this right here, 51K views. This is 51,000 views for the last 1 day. The other one was for the last 9 hours. We have this one right here, the best of 2024, 3 months ago, 7.7 million views. All right, so it is as simple as that. All right, but make sure you select a video that is evergreen and a video that have above 500,000 views, depending on how long that video has been on YouTube. Now, another thing is you can also search for viral shorts. If you are a creator of only shorts, you can do that, and then you would see various shorts that are trending. This one is for the last 9 months, 1.8 million views. Now, look at this shot right here. This is 51 million views. You have 701 million views. You have 61 million views. All these shots are trending. So you can actually search for the shots that are trending so you would know exactly what you want to do on YouTube. Now, if you love the research so far, make sure you repurpose this particular video and also upload on your channel to see if that video will go viral on your channel. Do not forget that all the strategies we have on YouTube that you can be able to get any of your videos to go viral or to trend, it will work for someone and it will not work for another person. It just depends on, I don't know. But like I said, I might try this strategy and it works for me, and you can try the strategy and it doesn't work for you. But make sure you click on the like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that when I upload the next strategy, you would also try it. We have to try all the strategies and see which one will work for our channel, for our videos, and for the niche we are on. Now, I am so happy, super happy that you all are still here with me. This means a lot. First of all, it means that you're enjoying the content so far. And secondly, you're either a small YouTuber or you are planning to create your channel on YouTube and you're thinking about the strategies you can go viral. I am amazed and thank you all so much. Do not forget to click on the like button. That's going to help the algorithm of YouTube to send this video to as many people as possible. And you can also share this video so that I too can go viral on YouTube. Now, the last way you can actually get a trending topic and repurpose for your channel is through ChatGPT. Oh my God. I love ChatGPT because whatever you ask this chatbot, it's going to give it to you. All right. So come with me. Let's see what ChatGPT can do for us. Now, come over to Google and type in ChatGPT. If you have it installed on your device, whether your phone or your laptop, you can just go ahead and use it. And if you have an account, good. If you don't have, you can create an account with your Google account in less than a minute. So what you have to do right here on ChatGPT is to type in YouTube trending topics for 2024. And ChatGPT will generate the different topics that are trending on YouTube non-stop, just like what it's doing right now. Now, right here, we have the various topics that are trending on YouTube as per this artificial intelligence, okay? So what you can do right here, or another thing you can also ask ChatGPT to do for you, if any of this topic is actually a topic you're interested in, you can ask ChatGPT to create a script for you that you can use. Now, the question we asked ChatGPT was YouTube trending topics for 2024. Now, the next thing you can do right here so that you can be more specific is to give in another prompt like this: most trending videos on how to make money online on YouTube. All right, let's see what ChatGPT will give us. Amazing, right? So these are the topics that are trending on YouTube on how you can make money online. We have affiliate marketing, YouTube partner program, e-commerce and drop shipping. We have selling digital products. We have freelancing and gig economy, passive income strategies, we have brand sponsorship, and we have membership and fan funding. Now, depending if this is your niche, because this is my niche, that is why I was more specific. These are the topics that you can take your time and then you repurpose these videos and put on your own channel to see what we get. Amazing. So these are the 4 ways you can actually find a trending topic and repurpose it for your channel to see if that strategy or the strategy will work for your channel. Now, we're going to use at least 2 viral videos, repurpose it and put it on this channel to see if this strategy works for us. Remember, we're still going to use these ways that we've talked about: the Google Trend, Google, YouTube, and ChatGPT to be able to find these trending topics. And the most important thing I want you guys to take home is, no matter the trending topic you find, make sure that that trending topic has at least 500,000 views. Now, you can look for trending topics that have 500,000 views above, because I think that if 500,000 people and above have watched a video, it means that that video might trend on your channel. Now, it's a possibility, I don't know, but we're all gonna try it and see how it plays out. Love you all, and do not forget to click on that like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. And see you on our next exciting video on how you can use your smartphone to earn money from the online space. Love you all. Bye bye.